We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary and food names as well. A type of paste or chili sauce, hot sauce. Sambal. Sambal. We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary and food names as well. A type of paste or chili sauce, hot sauce. Sambal. Sambal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.